guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some products that I found at Walmart from this new brand called Free Assembly. This brand is supposed to be a more sustainable brand and it's new to Walmart, and I have actually fell in love with so many pieces from that line. I want to actually show you guys what I got. One of the items that I got is this sweater. I love the sleeves on this. It's more like, it reminds me like of a sweater that I used to wear back in the day when I was like in middle school, like during the 80s. They do have a lot of pieces inspired like by the 80s and the 90s. They're not like really bright or anything like that, like the 90s and the 80s were, mainly the 80s. We wore a lot of neon during the 80s. These are more like casual style pieces. So I do want to show you some of the pieces that I purchased. So the first one is this sweater. I moved over here because I am going to try to be putting photos right here so you guys can see them up close. But yeah, so this is one of the sweaters that I got. I really do love it. It's not a crop top, but it does sit right at my waist. So I really do love this because it has like these little, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like these little speckles in it. These are like kind of like chocolate brown, orange type speckles. But I love the sleeves on this. They're like ruched sleeves, so really do love that. And I do love the way this fits. It's not a loose fitting sweater and it's not too tight. It's like right in the middle. So it's a very nice sweater that you can use like for every day. So let me go ahead and pull some of the other pieces that I got. So I am going to show you some tops that I have been wearing. They still have them at Walmart. These are more of like a knit top. So basically it's a long sleeve and it has like 3 buttons in the front. These buttons do open and close. This is more of a fitted top, but it's such a great top to wear like every day. Like you could wear this with some really cute sweats and sneakers, or you can wear it like I've been wearing it with like jeans and sneakers, or even with like leggings. So yeah, I've really been loving this. I got this color. This is one of my favorite colors. This is more of like a rusty brown. And then I picked up this green shade right here, which is more of like a camo green. So I really do love that. I also picked up the black one and the cream one. I think there's maybe 2 more shades in this that I don't have. I'm sure you guys have seen me wearing these in some of my videos, but yeah, these are really nice. And especially for winter, you can layer these with like a cardigan or even layer like a little tank underneath. They don't go really low on the neck. They kind of come to probably about right here. So if you're a little self-conscious of showing anything up here, then I would definitely wear a little tank top. But honestly, they don't come very low to where you can see like, you know, cleavage. So another top that I got from that line is this one. This is kind of like a lilac shade and it's pretty plain as far as, you know, there's no design or anything like that. But this is such a cute top. This is not like a bubble sleeve or anything. It's just a sleeve. And then of course it's a little bit thicker on the wrist. But it's so cute on, guys. I really love this color. I think it's so pretty and you could wear this pretty much throughout fall, winter, and into spring. But yeah, I really like it. It's very comfortable. This one I just throw on with a pair of jeans and like some sneakers or boots. So yeah. Oh, and another thing, this is super soft material. It kind of feels like cashmere, but it's not, of course. But it feels like cashmere. It has that really super soft feeling. So yeah, I really love this. And then I picked up another one of these sweaters, but this one is in the blue. This is it right here. So you'll see like the sleeves are really cute. They're like kind of like ruched. I don't know if that's explaining it correctly, but you know, they kind of have like these little, kind of has like pleats in the sleeves. And then of course this is the sleeve here, which is a little bit looser than the lavender sweater. But yeah, this is it right here. Just a really cute top. As you can see, it's not a crop top. It does sit really well on your waist. So yeah, really love this one as well. So the last piece I want to show you are these Free Assembly jeans. These are called the 90s straight jeans. These are actually a size 6. And so if you'll look at them, they're really straight. They have somewhat of a wide leg, but it's not too wide. And these actually come like right to my ankle, so they fit perfectly on. Then this is what the back looks like. Now these jeans actually come up to my waist, so they're a little high-waisted jean, but that's the way they were in the 90s. You didn't really wear like low-waisted jeans in the 90s. When I was in high school, all my jeans were kind of like mid-waist or a little bit higher. So yeah, these are the jeans here. They're made really well. They have a little bit of stretch to them, but not much. But yeah, these have been some of my favorite jeans to wear. I wear them like on a constant basis. So I've really been loving them with some of these sweaters or tops that I've bought from this line and some really cute sneakers. So yeah, I wanted to come on here and tell you about these great Walmart finds from Free Assembly. I love that Walmart has expanded their clothing lines and added like different lines that have like different designs where you can like find something really fashionable but for a really good price. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video of me showing you a bunch of cute items from Free Assembly at Walmart. I hope that you guys get a chance to go onto Walmart's website, check them out. I guarantee you will love a lot of their products. I don't think there's one product that I found that I really didn't like from them, but I will be looking on there today because I want to pick up, I think there's a pair of like black or blue jeans that have like the buttons in the front, kind of like the 501s. So I do want to go on their website and check those out. But yeah, I just wanted to mention Free Assembly. I think it's such a great brand. So I hope you guys will check it out. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will talk to you soon.